everyone, so this is me just doing a couple things in the downstairs bathroom. This is an IKEA bookshelf. I decided to put it right above the sink. Basically, my husband had taken out the original one. It was a little glass one. It was tiny and it wouldn't hold anything really, and it was just bothersome. So we removed it and I didn't know what else to install, and I kind of needed something with a large area for him to put his hair gel and his toothbrush and his toothpaste and other items that he likes to have handy right when he's at the sink. So I installed this. It's an IKEA bookshelf. It's worked out great. I went ahead and I put this clear plastic cover over it, and you're going to wonder why. And it's mostly because my husband doesn't really clean up after himself or his bathroom, and it's just easier. If I just peel this off, I can replace it. Keeps it just nice and neat in case somebody's coming over or we're having a party. So just thought I'd share that. And next I installed the toilet paper holder. Yes, my husband did not do this for almost a year and I got tired of it, decided to install it myself, and this is just me installing it. It was a pretty easy process. You know, I've gotten pretty good at being in general a handy person around my house because my husband will not do it. And it will take forever, and I'd rather not nag him because he's heard it a million times. So easy to install, easy projects to take on, made a huge difference in this bathroom. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.